So today, guys, we're going to be opening this 2021 playoff. 40 cards per pack, and yeah, we got these at the local CVS on the candy section, so go there and see if you have time. Derrick Henry. Who's that?
Earl Thomas.
Tyrann Mathieu. Ben Roethlisberger. Stephon Diggs. Moan Cock. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Myles Garrett. Dwayne
Haskins.
No.
Derwin
James Jr. Warren Moon.
Kendrick Bourne.
Julio Jones. KJ Dobbins. Chris Jones. Joe Thomas. Rob Gronkowski. Khalil Mack. Aaron Donald. Kirk Cousins. Amari Cooper. Robbie Anderson. Robert Woods.
J.R. Alexander.
Chris Carson. Jesse Tuggle. Jalen Reagor. Chris Godwin. David Montgomery. Cam Akers. Brett Favre. And now to the rookies. Patrick Surtain II. Ooh, Zach Wilson. Rookie card.
Richie Grant.
Gabriel Clock. Semi. What's that?
Biolko.
Dak Prescott green. Anything that changes with the green is just this down here. The green. Brandon Ayuk. Tyran Wallace. Oh, here we go. Thunder and Lightning. Patrick Mahomes and Tyreek Hill. Oh, and Trey Lance rookie wave. And then Kid Reporter.